Yagni benta jonga kubor la wanras pi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Kamigalaya Legislative Assembly Environment Committee Nekalai Puitari Unaitung Aja Arpo Glapan Pau Jingjulor Halor Jingjulor ki Coke Factory ki Bubi Ain West Khasi District Jingjulor Bahai Kami Mariang Habai Kran Bikra Bathai Kubor Hadin Kajelang Udakot Jokanika Committee Uba HM Shong Pyrkhat Ulong Bakanika Committee Kasalit Jurib Ika West Khasi District Hakakat Pratrik Unailar Aja Arpo
2018 August, the Industries Department had started giving clearance of setting up of these coke factories in West Khasi Hills. And within 2 years' time, they have already given single window clearance for about 16 of them. 16 coke factories have been given single window clearance to set up coke factory. And out of which, I think 7 coke factories are already operational and they are already functioning. This committee viewed the whole matter very seriously. Why? Because as we all know that the mushrooming of the coke factory has caused a lot of health hazard in the whole Shalang belt area. And so suddenly, that within a span of about 6 to 8 months, we noticed that there has been so many coke factories that have been established. As per the reports given, there are 8 factories who have already set up factories illegally without any permission. This is as per the report of the Deputy Commissioner Monstoin. So this committee has directed the authorities concerned not to allow opening or operating of these 8 factories any longer. These 8 factories, the owners did not even turn up for the inquiry that was conducted by the Additional Deputy Commissioner Monstoin. Thereby, they proved that they are all illegal and they wanted to run the factory without any documents or without any papers.
You see, as per the normal procedure, there are 4 categories of industrial sector. One is red, one is orange, one is green, and one is white, depending on the pollution potential of the industries. Coke factory falls under the red category. So, setting up of any industrial unit under the red category required to apply for the consent to establish, we call it CTE, from the Pollution Control Board. After they get the consent to establish, then they can go ahead for the civil construction, then other infrastructure. After they have finished that, they will apply for consent to operate. The officer from the Pollution Control Board will go and inspect the infrastructure created by them, then the other pollution control measures, control devices put up by them, and after they are satisfied with that, they give the consent to operate. And that consent to operate is valid only for 3 months. After 3 months, the Pollution Control Board again depute officials to go and inspect and then collect samples for waste, air, water, and to analyze in their laboratory if the waste collected by them is within their permissible limit. If it is within the permissible limit, they will allow to continue to operate, but it is above the permissible limit, then the plant will have to take a shutdown. And the consent to operate will be revoked.
Hakajo kapor kanika committee kalapan pau ka Jingjulor Halor ka Jingbred iki jabo jabai niki katu kaniki hospital hajwai barkla bathai ka sarkar jila bakade ban bono iki we ki jaka ki bakirpang na kabenta banthe iki jabo jabai ki hospital.
The existence of incinerators has become very essential, and therefore we have asked the departments concerned, like the Health Department and the State Pollution Board, to come up with the installation of incinerators. It has been also replied that by the Commissioner Secretary Health and Welfare, Family Welfare. There are three incinerators proposals has been gone to the government for setting up in Shillong, Tura and in Jowai. This committee has reiterated that the installation of incinerator is a must and has to be done immediately. Then there was also a discussion relating to the disposal of hospital waste in Jowai. It was found in a paddy field, and that had gone circulation in the local press and the media. The committee had observed it as very serious, that hospital waste like syringes and medicine bottles should not be floating around in a paddy field in Jowai. This is very serious. The committee was not satisfied with the report submitted by the team, wherein they were not being able to give a satisfactory report, and therefore an inquiry has to be conducted again by the health department involving the state pollution board in this regard as to how the waste products of the hospitals are being disposed in the hospitals in Jowai. This has to be looked into very seriously.